What are some key updates for the Internet Computer Token ICP? I think you guys should be paying attention to right now. Now, ICP has not been doing too much at all. It has been stuck in this very tight range for quite some time. Uh, Specifically, about even since about March of this year, it has been stuck within about that $6 ish level, between $6 ish, between $4 and $6 level here. Okay, so very tight weekly candles, right? Has been just bouncing around this range for quite some time. Now, I have been mentioning that on this weekly time frame here, there is still a huge falling wedge pattern. Okay, falling wedges are very simple and effective patterns to chart, and probably the most common pattern you guys would see on your time frames, especially during a bull cycle. It tells you that after an extensive downtrend on that time frame, that the price action is likely to be breaking back to the upside. That's because the bears are actually losing strength, and that's why you're seeing this tightening channel, right? Now, this pattern is still valid. I've been talking about this pattern for quite some time, and ICP is in the midsection of this pattern, so very important to see where it goes. Price target for the breakout here will still be about $24 if it breaks out by this point, for example. Okay. Now, even though falling wedges have a higher chance of breaking to the upside, there is still a smaller chance it breaks down as well. I've seen that before, so some things to be taken into consideration of. Now, price target. Just want to say it is an estimate only. There could be more, there could be less. Very much depends on the type of market we're in, and very much depends on Bitcoin, which is still the driver of this market. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin dumps, that could dump your altcoins. As we have seen with ICP here, for the last almost 3 weeks, it's been dumping with Bitcoin. I'm gonna link you guys to a more detailed video I did about Bitcoin earlier today. You guys definitely want to see what I said about Bitcoin there and what my outlook on Bitcoin is. Now, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So, of course, my opinion on the market is still bullish. But these are just my opinions only and not financial advice. Now, what I'm seeing with ICP here is I said if ICP could come all the way back up here to test about $6.35, it could form a cup and handle, a small cup and handle here, because there is a rounded bottom trajectory still if this weekly candle closes about above about $5. Okay, above $5, I would say roughly. There's still a rounded bottom trajectory that could still form a cup and handle pattern. It hasn't formed yet, right? But if it does, I don't think it's too far of a shot to say that right now. The price target could be above $8 for ICP, and let's see if it can hit that before breaking out of this bigger falling wedge pattern here. Let's take a look into a smaller time frame, zoom in, and see if I can get any more clarity on what ICP is doing. Now, ICP on this daily time frame, it is in this falling wedge pattern. Okay, falling wedge pattern, and it has also broken out of this smaller falling wedge pattern that's within this bigger one. Price target for the breakout here is about $5.95. There is bullish divergence that could be playing out right now, which usually indicates a reversal, and we're seeing these green candle reversals right now. Quite a bit of resistance for ICP to get through, which include the daily moving averages, all stacked about that between 535 to 550 level. Okay, so something to be paying attention to, and if this bigger falling wedge pattern on this daily time frame plays out, the breakout here, let's take a measure move. Measure move out of this bigger falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame would be about $7 and just short of $7.30 there. So let's see what ICP does. So this is basically my update for ICP on this week. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of ICP or any other coins in this market by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.